Alright guys, welcome back. So we did some off-work camera. We have 4 holes. We need to dig them deeper. They're posts in the ground. It's gonna be like a actual mini house, no electricity, maybe like a propane stove. But if you guys come over here, I'll show you what we're So we have the post digger, Mr. Good here. We have the 4. This is like our area where the elevated platformers can go up the floor, but today's just the first day of actually working. This is gonna be probably half the summer, or most of the summer. We're hoping to get done quick, but now we're just gonna set this up here and we're gonna get to work.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost, lost to the cages, cages of chaos I forgot. Somewhere it must be written, I just lost my access to the map. Somewhere love had bitten, I chased the apple and realized can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that I'm to blame. I crossed the ocean and lost myself below. I owe this to myself to stay in the deep end, finally face to face.
Alright guys, we ran into a little dilemma with one of our holes. We gotta use the Sawzall, we gotta cut some roots out. So, we're just gonna start cutting. Oh, there goes my battery.
Oh look, there we go.
Alright guys, Mr. Good is having a try at the root right now. This is gonna be a long project, guys. This is just the base. It's gonna be a long project.
Oh yeah, I don't think it's gonna work.
Okay. Yeah, well, I'll keep cutting it and see what happens.
Really try to get under it. Hold on. So I'll move it over a little. Okay, you need more water. Go, just quick. It's fine if there's dirt in it, just go. Quick guys, quick.
Right, no, don't let go.
Actually, Mason, don't pull it down there. Pull the,
It doesn't reach.
Oh shit, yeah. Water, a bunch of water. Alright, that's good. Mix it a little. Take this.
Can you handle the riptide? Won't help from the shoreline. What's the use?
Okay, guys, so we have 3 posts in, leveled. We used the level. We have to tackle this one probably tomorrow or whatever day.